Hi guys, we're back here with another video, and we're playing Garten of Banban. I've never played this game either. This is one of the other games I found on Steam. And for a parent looking for the missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Okay, the chair moved. There's planks on the couch. Is that a couch? Okay, the planks are gone and the door is open. I'm pretty sure that should catch up. Oh, now everything's dark. Okay. Whoa. Poppy playtime vibes. Boots. Yeah, where are the boots? E to interact with an object. So we got a few creatures here. Hold shift to sprint. A green one. Okay, that's completely normal. So it looks like we're gonna need a key card, like in Piggy. Is in the vending machine now? Okay, that would have been actually kind of cool. Is it under the table? I don't think so. Oh. Can we crouch? No, okay. I wanted to see if there's something under the table. So a big button there, and a big button there. Can we press it? No, I don't think we can. So it's, is it E? Yeah, okay. A drone! And, no. Dear mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only way to make Claire like me. Me, monster, and Claire. Why is Claire the poop? Okay. Very interesting. Now, how do I fly this thing? Oh, it requires 2 batteries. Where am I going to find those? In the computers. Let's break them open. Okay, that's not going to work. We already checked this out. No, these were not here before. Nah, yeah, these weren't here before, right? Okay. We have 2 batteries. The drone! It's alive! Use left mouse. Oh. What? Oh! Wait, hit the button. Right mouse. Ozzy! What's this? Oh. Oh, it just teleports it. Okay, and there's another button. Go press it. Pew! Yeah, that opened the door. Actually, Jumbo Josh says, eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. And I think there's one. Stinger Flint says, having many arms allows me to help a lot of people. Is there one in this room? I don't even know what that thing is. Oh, wait, is that the bird in the... Oh, I think that's the bird in, like, the note. Okay, there's not one here. But, you know that note? I think that's the bird. Drone. Sacred mission. Go. Go. Kill. Kill it! You didn't kill it. Go farther. No, it's gone! It just went in there. Oh, I'm not doing that. Wait. Squid Game vibes. You see these trees? They look like Squid Game. And the general environment. Oh. Bambolina says, kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Okay. Captain Fiddles says, ooga booga booga ooga. Okay. Banban says, sharing is caring. Your pancreas is mine? Why does he want a pancreas? You know what? I don't care. My drone can't be... Oh, it's red. Wait, but I can just get... Now kill it. Come on. Oh, no. I thought it said it couldn't... Oh, okay. You broke the naughty corner. Good job, drone. So I think Bambolina's like his girlfriend or something like that. And we can move these tables. Okay. What does that say? An Opila bird mission. Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Huh. This looks like a neat cardboard craft. Why is there handprints on it? Well, they probably made this. So, like, of course there are handprints on it. Oh, wait, why is it eating its eggs? And where's the real Opila bird? Wasn't it, like, right there that went in here? Okay, there's a playground here. And another egg. I wonder if we can only hold one. Button. And, oh. Okay, the button's on. Oh, can we go down it? No, we can't. Alright. Fine. I'll go down this one then. Where's the drone? Yes, come on. Kill. Is there... Yep, I see it. Oh, no, no. Best friend sticker. Caution, peel slowly. Okay. Another egg. Oh, there's one. Did you press it? Oh, an egg came out of the slide. I don't get the physics here or anything like that. But okay. Where would more eggs be? Oh, in the boat. In the boat, 100%. Come on, please. Oh, yep, there we go. How many more do we need? So we have 1 in there already. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we have all of them. Now where's my prize? Is it like, did you poop it out? No, look at these tail feathers. Oh. Ew. Wait, is this a prize that a kid can own? A yellow key card? It's a pretty weird prize, but it can be used on the naughty corner. Come on, drone. The naughty corner awaits. Okay. Now what did that do? Well, it's probably not going to do anything here. Did that... Ooh. Oh, it opened the door. The end is here. Yep, I bet it is. Chair. No, please, don't do this. Distraction at 1. I don't know what that means, but... Okay. Okay, we open this thing. And... Space jump. Okay, we got a thing right here. Turn it on. Oh, a couch. A couch. Opila bird says, laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. You freaky thing. Now what? Oh. Oh! So, it looks like the Opila bird has been here. The real one. And there's a very deep pit. Can we like... Oh, we can. I want to play with the hole. Bird, but everyone left me. Everyone... Well, it says I alone. Everyone have party without me. Miss Mason see me but go. I'm scared because hole's loud and my friends screaming it, but bird is funny. It's a weird child. Is there anything up here? Let's get higher. Oh, there is. There's something up there. There's definitely something up there. Are we supposed to get that? Oh, we can. Come on. Come on. How do we not get the timing right on this? Maybe if we move closer to the death pit and... Come on. We gotta get it eventually. Oh, we got it. It's an egg. I remember these guys' colors. I know that this guy is green. But should we give this to the Opila bird? Banban's red. Why did I push that? Bambolina's white. I'm pretty sure the Opila bird is pink. Okay, I passed it. Oh my gosh. I know that this guy is like that dark blue. Yeah, that one. Weren't you like... Okay, I'm gonna go back and check. I don't remember his color. And we have an egg to feed the Opila bird. Okay. Is that blood? No, it's ketchup. He just stepped in a bunch of ketchup down there. Or she? Is that a he or she? Huh. Alright. Opila bird. Egg. What do you got for me? What is that? Ew. What? Ooh, why does it move like that? Oh, that's a purple key card. Okay. I got it. I'm gonna go check that one jellyfish. Oh, it was orange. Yeah, it was orange. And we have a purple key card now. So let's like... Yeah. Oh wait, is this the room that we were like right here, and there was like a clock. There's a note. Oh, so this is the Mason person. Yeah, that weird kid was talking about. I can't scan that QR code because like I don't have anything on me right now. I can scan it. Anything else under the desk? Maybe? No notes. Nothing. Is that like it? Okay. The jellyfish is orange. Isn't that right? Cardboard Opila bird. Come on, let's interrogate it. You're gonna tell us where the real one is. Actually, it's probably in the pit. I don't know if it's like dead down there or something. It's taking forever. Alright. Oh, the reflection. Look at that. It's actually cool. Oh, I got it. The door opened up. Key card. Alright, let's go back. Wait, why are you leaving? Is that the Opila bird? Where did you even come from? Can I like... Oh! Oh! A frown face? Well, that scared me. That like actually scared me. Okay, don't approach it. Press E to be reincarnated. Okay. Don't approach it. Drone. 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 There you are. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it, please. Please. Kill it. No! Where are you going? Where are you going? Come back. That's what I thought. Oh. Hit the button. Oh, no. Wait, do they get off? Oh. Oh, no. Nah. Stay away. Stay. Oh, no. I fell in the pit. It said parkour, so I thought there was going to be something there. Like a bridge. H. I thought there was going to be like a bridge that formed or something. Wait, how do I get out then? How do I leave? Drone. Am I like stuck here? I don't know how to avoid this Opila bird. Opila bird. Uh-huh. So Opila bird, I have one question. Are you a boy or a girl? It's gonna get off, right? Stay. Stay where you are. Stop it. Stop. Stop. Stay. Oh, there is a bridge. Oh, nah. Okay, I failed. There was a bridge. T. What the heck does T mean? I'm like actually struggling now. Okay. This did happen in Poppy Playtime. Oh, you're here. Hi, John. So you're gonna help me, right? You're gonna... So when you do that, you're gonna attack the Opila bird, okay? Shame. Very disappointed in you, Opila bird. You killed me. Like, twice. And then one time I fell in the pit. Because that thing moves. Hey, stop running so fast. I hate this stupid drone. I hate it. Click the button. Click the button. Oh. No, I can't leave. I can't leave. There's like a barrier. Oh my gosh. Wait. I saw an... Wait. No. Is that just like... I'm pretty sure. Wait. I saw like a... Is that a... There's an emergency stop! I think that's what it said. It said something like that. But does that stop the couches or does it stop the parkour? Because it said something like that. So I think I have to press that. I think it said emergency stop, yeah. Come on, drone, please don't fail me. You kidding me? You failed me. I'm keeping an eye on this thing. I'm not sure if it's even chasing me. Oh! Jeez, it slammed its head. down there now. Ugh. Alright, let's get out of here. Drone. Good job. Oh wait, I haven't even realized. Wait, that was the Opila bird. That was an actual Opila bird in disguise. How come they didn't kill me on the spot? No, that was the actual Opila. Where is it? There's no, yeah, that was the actual Opila bird right there. We fed it its own eggs. Why does the Opila bird want to eat its own babies? So that room's all dark now. We're opening this. So we got a button, got stuff, anything I can interact with, anything under the desk. See, I knew this was gonna be it. I thought there was gonna be like a thing here. I don't know what item, but I thought there was gonna be something there. Okay, it's one of these again. The button's on. Oh yeah, I need to call my drone in this room first. Alright. So, is the Opila bird the only thing we're gonna encounter? We're gonna encounter Captain Fiddles, Bambolina, Banban himself. I mean, it is named after his game. This is his game, right? Is that all? Did you see the Opila bird? Is this the escape? Alright. I guess we beat it, I guess. And my drone is coming with me, I think. Whoa, bright light. Alright. Okay, yeah. Now I can go. What if we fall down there? Is that like the pit? Do we just die? And my drone's coming with me. This is the best part. Drone? 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 No, I can't. I can't use the controls anymore. Goodbye, drone. It's been nice knowing you. We're going down this deep pit, and we stopped. Okay, nice. Whoa! It sounds like my dad. Are you sleeping? Oh! Is that Jumbo Josh? It is! What does he have on his hand? Jumbo Josh? Is that ketchup? He just ripped it! Am I dead? What did he have on his hand? Wait, we didn't actually see Banban. But there's a sequel. Right, I guess that's all for this video. If you liked it, like and subscribe. Bye.